Hi, welcome to the scrapyard. I'm Red. Not much today, just a little small bench update, a few things I'm working on. I got my monster coach finished, but I'm not going to put the reveal of that up to the first to April Fool's Day when the Model T group build ends. Speaking of the Model T group build, um I started on this altered T Roadster. I don't know if you can see a suspension, scratch built the front axle, used printed spindles on it. Come out looking pretty good. Um, about got it ready for another coat of primer. You see the little touches of green where I've did a little light filling. What is it? Let's make a little better light here. Yeah, I had a shadow going there, but yeah, it's coming along all right. I marked it up, got my motor mouse and everything right using the firepower Hemi out of the 53 Ford kit, 53 Ford pickup kit. But the engine I'm going to use on it is the Revell Parts Pack Cadillac engine that come out of the uh, Yellow Fever Fiat. But, and my axle is a resin printed center section, and I use aluminum tubing for the rest of it. That's going to go in there. Been messing around with that. I don't know if any of you ever messed with this kit before or not. This body, and it's a parts pack body, right? The tonneau cover really doesn't fit. It doesn't fit tight. It leaves a big, about a 2-inch gap. And besides, the thing's about an inch and a half thick in scale. So I made me a pattern. I'm gonna remake it out of foil, and that'll work really well. That's that. I'm still thinking about that. I may or may not. I may make a hard one. You know, say it's a fiberglass one. Anyway, that's that. And I've been looking at this frame, this chassis, for a long time, and it's just been sitting on my desk. You know, this chassis here, and I kind of wanted to build a glass slipper, but I got looking at it, and I had to figure out how to re-rig it to make it easy to paint, to make the paint work on it. So what I did is I assembled the back section here, and then I cut the hood off and glued it to the firewall. And I meant to put little stops on the inside, but you see it goes right in there now, right? All right. I'm not really worried about the front suspension on this because it's all going to be hid up under here. And where did the inset come from? Boom. Yeah, not worried about the front suspension on this, so I'm going to like fake it, right? So I can just slide this up in here like this. The line with the rear end is going to go here, and put it in there like that. Now, then I have to build my rear end and stuff with it already in place. But that's not going to be that big of a deal, man. I figure I can do it like this. Well, I say that going to be that big of a deal, but it may be. Or maybe I have to do it like this. Well, anyway, you get the idea. I could put the center section in, put the axles in from outside, put the axles in from outside, then glue the center section in, and it'll all be right. Anyway, that's that, man. I got it about ready for primer. It's got a few spots on it still, but it'll show it better after I prime it. But you know, like I said, if I got something that don't look like it's going to go, you know, it's going to be a pain in the ass to paint, man, I'm going to figure out a way to re-engineer it somehow or another where it is easier to paint. Yep. This will be alright here, see, it eliminated all that seam that had to be filled, or couldn't be filled in the, eliminated all that, however many inches there are of it. I mean, it's a good, what, 6, 12, 18, 20 inches. Knocked that all down to about 3 inches of unfillable seam. And new ones in a spot where I would think you would naturally have the seam, so you'd have access. But anyway, that's that. Never built one of these. I mean, you know. Yeah, and I filled the hole for the magneto up. Now I'll do something else, something a little lower profile. But anyway, I think it'll be pretty sharp. I've never actually saw one of these glass slippers built up out of that AMT kit, double dragster kit. And that's that. The Vega had to go in the pond, so I'm just letting it sit for a while. I'm kind of disgusted. The gold paint that I base coated it with did not want to cure out, man. It was like 7 or 8 weeks later, man, it was still kind of tacky. So I just threw it in the pond and then starting over on that. But anyway, it's set up there out of the way, it's safe, and you know. Been messing around a little bit with the old Tom build. I finally found me a seat to go in it. This is the this is a seat out of that Mickey Thompson Challenger 1 that I bought as a parts kit. It fits in there just right. Nice little sling seat. Other than that, I haven't really done anything. I need to rebuild this engine. Yeah, like I said, I haven't been doing nothing much lately. Just this and that. Piddling. Couple of cool new stash ads. Not my usual type of thing, but I picked up the Polar Lights Robbie the Robot. I'm gonna build it, man. It's kind of neat. I've always liked Robbie. You know, and give me a change of pace or whatever. It's fairly simple, not much to it. I've broke it down off sprues already. But I don't know, he'll be about 8-9 inches tall, I think. You know, he comes on got a little base for him. So he comes with a little base. I'll have fun packing all that up. Got that. And I didn't really get a good deal on this. It's about the average price. It might have been just a little bit better, you know, but alright, what I drop? I'm dropping the pieces. Carpet Monster didn't get that one. So I got that. And I got this. I haven't even went through this shit. I just opened the box and it looks like it's all there. this is an original 1962 issue. And I only think this has been reissued but once. And I still got to go through and inventory it. But I practically stole this thing. I don't think I give it like $20 for it. 25 maybe. Then shipping. But it looks like it's got everything in it. I haven't really tore into it yet. Don't really want to, man. I want to go through it and see if there's anything loose. I'm gonna bag it up. But yeah, this is a really neat blast from the past here, though. And you see it comes with the launch pad and everything. But anyway, that's it for me. I'm going to try to get some painting done tonight. I've been kind of slack and lazy, but weather's been good and people have been friendly. So you know how it goes. But y'all have a good night. I appreciate everybody that watches. If you wouldn't mind, like, subscribe, share, tell your buddy. Anyway, that's it for me. Y'all have a good night. Bye.